Sorry about the noisy air conditioner in the background. I'm finally getting around to doing this video on the greasing the Ramfill drain gates. I will do another video on the fill gates some other time, but for now I have time to do the drain gate. So anyway, you're going to need the this is special grease, I guess you want to call it, that's plastic friendly, and that's what they recommend on these gates. I'm sure you can use something else, but this is what I use, and it's not cheap, but you can get it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. Also, you'll need one of these grabber tools. I believe I got this one at Harbor Freight, but they're also available anywhere. So it does that. Okay. These blue towels work nice. Heavy duty blue towel, paper towel. That's what you'll need. And in a nutshell, we're just gonna go. I've already got the gate open. It's in trailer mode right now if you're running a Centurion. Not sure if the Supremes have that too, but I think they do. But kind of hard to see. I'll see if I can get a look in there. So the gate right now is open, and you can't really see where it comes down through there, through the slot, but I know where it's at, and I'll show you how I'm going to lube it. You can grease it first when it's closed, or you can grease it when it's open, doesn't matter. To get the outer, there's a little slot in there, and I'm going to lube up the slot. And then I'm going to close the gate, and then I'm going to lube the back of the gate. And that way it's got something on there. It's not perfect, but it keeps me from having to crawl down in the bottom of the boat, and that's no fun. So I just tore off a square of this blue paper towel. You could use a rag, I'm sure. And then I'm just gonna liberally apply the grease on here. I'm gonna use both hands, so I'm gonna turn the phone. All right, so there's the mess I made with the Molly Coat 111. Don't ask me if you can use Vaseline or anything else. I don't know. This I know is safe for plastic and rubber, so that's what I'm using. And to me, this expensive of a toy, just buy the bottle. All right, so this is it. Pretty simple. It's gonna be a little bit messy, but you get that sucker in there like that, and who cares about the mess? And then I'm going to use two hands when I finish this job myself, but you can see that you can kind of maneuver this thing back and forth around the opening of the gate. If I have two hands on it, I can do a lot better, but you can maneuver it back and forth where the slot is, where the gate comes through, okay? And the only reason I'm doing this is because I can't get to the back of the gate. But it'll put a light coating on the back as well as the front. So I'm going to shut it off and finish the job. So I've turned on the power. This is a 2018 FI21. So your model might be slightly different, but the Ramfill works the same. And you just go to your ballast setting there, and then hit trailer mode. And you want to, since we're just doing the drain gates today, and mine's already open, I'm going to go ahead and close. And it doesn't say anything, so you have to go back there and look in the hole and make sure that the gate is closed. When you open it, it's going to say open. So for good measure, I'm going to hit it again. All right, so I got the valve. I call them a gate, but they're a valve. Just a sewer valve, basically. But anyway, you can see the back of the gate right there is closed. And if you can't see it, you're in a garage, it's dark, just go ahead and get your flashlight out and you'll be able to see the back of it. Go over here and check the other one. That one's closed as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swab the back of that gate. This is exactly the same process. Only difference is you're just kind of rubbing that rag around on the back of the gate. And obviously you need 2 hands to do it, so I'm gonna go ahead and shut the phone off, but you get the picture. It's not rocket science. Okay, so this quick job, it's obviously not as good as going in there and taking it apart and getting the backside as well, but you're still gonna get some on the backside because you did it while the gate was open. And I'll just kind of see if we can see. So you can see there's a pretty good slathering of grease on the backside of that valve. I'll clean off these after I'm done with the video. And then at some point when I have time, it's a busy time of year, I don't have time to go inside the boat and take the fill gates apart and show you that job, but it's a little more difficult because you have to take the valve apart and be careful with the O-rings and all that stuff. But you want to do it, I don't know, I've had this boat for 3 years. I'd probably do it every 2. These you can do, you know, every year because it's easy. So hope you like the video. Subscribe if you want, give it a like. And the Molly coat, there's a link in the description for that on Amazon. And then this is either Harbor Freight or I'm sure you can get it on Amazon as well. So anyway, thanks.